Welcome. It's time to bring your attention inward, to step away from the busyness of your day and gather yourself up for an inner journey. Start by lying down, using pillows and blankets to bolster your body into a position of rest and relaxation. Take the time to make sure you are supremely comfortable. And as you're ready, close your eyes and quiet your mind. Turn down the volume of your thoughts. Let go of worries, tension. Relax, trust, and let go. It's time to bring your attention inward. To bring your attention inward. To bring your attention inward. And let your breath become your focus. Allow your breath to slowly lift you from your day and your doing. Now breathe in fully and exhale with a deep sigh. And again, breathe slowly in. Exhale with a deep sigh. Breathing slowly. Inhaling, exhaling through the nose now. Look for the quiet between your thoughts. Look for the peace at the borders of your attention. Slip into that peace, like slipping into a warm bath. Feel any parts of the body that are bracing begin to release into the warmth of that peace. Jaw unclenches, heart unlocks, skin softens and loosens. Let yourself be held by the essence of you. Now breathe normally and be still. Empty your body and mind. And enter deeper levels of stillness and silence. Let all tension simply melt, drain away, and dissolve. Release any effort to make anything happen. Now follow my guidance as we move awareness through different parts of the body. Let your attention rest on each body part as I name it, without comment or judgment. Both hands, arms, chest, belly, pelvis, thighs, both knees, both ankles, all 10 toes, soles of the feet, calves, thighs, hips, back, shoulder blades, back of the head, top of the head, face, throat, torso. Now, as I name each organ, feel energy moving with attention, nourishing and revitalizing each organ. Bring your attention to the heart, lungs, stomach, spleen, liver, gallbladder, kidneys, intestines, reproductive organs, bladder. Now sense the whole body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Whole body. Feel the whole body contained in vast, spacious awareness. Now observe the body breathing. Notice the movement of breath, effortless, rhythmic. Allow all your awareness to rest now on each descending exhale. In a moment, you're going to count down from 10 to 1. And with each slow descending number between 10 and 1, you'll become 1/10 more relaxed. Just 10% more relaxed with each slow descending number. Each descending number will help you drift 1/10 deeper into that wonderful state of relaxation that's perfect for you here in this moment. As you begin counting down, you may notice a sensation of floating down into your own internal world, down into the part of you that holds all the answers. And as you begin to pay more and more attention to the breath, and you feel the descending exhale, you'll automatically drift deeper. Begin on your next out-breath to silently count the breath down from 10, counting each descending exhale all the way to 1. now let go of counting and rest deeply here. Feel the ground beneath you as steady earth, loyal, constant, unshakable. Let yourself be held. Now imagine your body as a vast inner landscape. A landscape shaped not just by muscles and bones, but by the quiet devotion of tissues, organs, and cells working together. Loyal companions, always adapting, always protecting you. As you rest in this inner world, notice how it begins to open like a doorway swinging wide. The terrain of your body softens into a wider scene, expanding beyond the skin, becoming a gentle harvest field in late summer. The soil here is dark, fertile, generous. The air is warm and sweet, heavy with ripening fruit. This is the earth element's season, where nourishment is gathered, digested, and shared. Walk slowly through this field in your mind. Notice golden grains bending with abundance. Notice fruit trees, branches heavy with peaches and pears. Notice how the earth offers nourishment freely, without judgment, without condition. Up ahead, beneath a wide sheltering tree, you see a table prepared just for you. On it are simple bowls filled with what your body truly longs for. Warm food, cool water, clean air, deep rest. Each offering is an invitation. Imagine yourself receiving them one by one. As you take in this nourishment, notice how it flows into you, not only through your mouth, your stomach, but through your breath. Each inhale carries sustenance. Each exhale releases what you no longer need. Breath becomes nourishment. Breath becomes medicine. With each inhale, feel your body say yes. Yes to life. Yes to being cared for. And with each exhale, feel your body soften, releasing tension, releasing judgment, releasing weariness, self-criticism. Now the breath carries you inward again, deep beneath the skin. See the intricate magic of your inner world, the faithful beating of your heart, the gentle wave of your diaphragm, the coiling rivers of your intestines, winding patiently, transforming nourishment into life energy. See how loyal your body is, how faithfully it works on your behalf. Whisper inwardly to your body, thank you. Thank you for digesting. Thank you for adapting. Thank you for carrying me, even when I forget your devotion. See that you are both caretaker and guest of this body. In your mind's eye, place your hand on your belly and feel compassion soften through you. In this quiet place, ask your body, what do you need to feel nourished? Now listen, no forcing. Just notice what message arises from your body. Perhaps more water, more movement, more light, more rest. Perhaps simply to be loved as it already is. Whatever you hear, let it settle into the soil of your being. Seeds that will root and grow in their own time. Linger here now in that feeling of fullness. Not the kind that weighs you down, but the fullness of being enough exactly as you are. Your body is your earth. Your body is your home. Your body is your most loyal ally. Now silently say to yourself 3 times, I nourish my body with kindness. I nourish my body with kindness. I nourish my body with kindness. And let these words take root. Carry their truth with you in the days ahead. And there's nothing else you need to do. Remain resting if that feels right, or allow yourself to drift into sleep. Both will restore you. Good night.